These weird and random voiceover Reddit stories over gameplay has virtually become a money glitch on TikTok, where creators are making hundreds of dollars a day through the TikTok creator program and their live streams through the audience that they generate through these videos. 90% of these videos are created through AI. And I'm going to show you how you can go and do this, how you can go and create your own money glitch on TikTok through random Reddit stories, add your own voiceover, add your own gameplay into these videos, start posting on Reddit, and generate views, just like this page is doing over here. One of their most viewed videos has close to 900,000 views, but on average, I can see over here, some are getting 600 views, 400 views, 16K views, 14K views, 300K views. So a lot of these pages are starting to pick up on this trend. This is a relatively new page that has started doing this recently. They've only posted about 50 posts and they're already up to 2,000 followers, which is really not bad. And they are a perfect example of you cannot expect every video to go viral, but there is a 90% chance that one video will go viral and take off the rest of your page. So their first video that ever went viral, well, semi-viral, was this 52K view video over here, influenced the boost of the rest of the videos after that. The next video that properly took off was this video over here, 300,000 views. After the 63K viewed video and this 300K view video, the rest of their videos after this suddenly 4 to 5 times in their views. And that's exactly what a viral video does. It doesn't make one video go viral. That viralness from that one video snowballs and rolls into the rest of your videos after that. And this is a super easy way to go viral on TikTok. I've seen a lot of creators do this. And you're welcome to go and search on TikTok, Reddit story gameplay, and you will find tons of examples. Here's another guy who's just started this. I think he's only got about a couple of hundred followers, 6 followers, and also just started this. He's doing this in his own way and he's getting 600 views, 1,000 views, 79 views. So I'm not going to sit here and just show you examples of people that's getting millions of views. They are the people that have just started this, which is more realistic to what you can expect. But as time goes by and you remain consistent at this, and by the way, it takes literally 2 minutes to boom, put this video together, you can start to grow and grow, just like this example has over here. And eventually you can get to the point like this guy's doing. This guy has 1.6 million followers and has been doing this for much longer. And as you can see, I can scroll and scroll and scroll because he's got probably 1,000 plus videos on his page. But he's at the point where he's making 10K, 1 or 2 blowing up to 1 million, 16K, 41K, 20 million, one of the most viewed. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money from this. And there's so many different ways. You can use the TikTok shop. You can use the TikTok creator program. You can use AI live streams on your page after you've gained some traction to make money through TikTok gifts. Alternatively, you can make money through a direct affiliate link in the bio of your profile. And it's really easy to go and get these Reddit stories for your page. Come over to Google and go and search something really out of the blue and crazy, such as sad, scary Reddit stories. We can go and click on search. On the top link over here, what are some scary yet wholesome sad stories? Just open up a couple of these. Over here is a whole Reddit on scary stories. No Sleep, another Reddit. And let's have a look through Voices in the Bushes, based on a true story. When I was 16, I used to live in a small village. Everyone knew each other. Every night we talk about scary movies and play hide and go seek, and etc. etc. And you can take all of these stories and convert them into Reddit videos, just like this guy, just like this guy, and just like this guy. But the main thing that we want to focus on here is quality. I want you to just quickly look visually off the bat when you land on this page compared to when you land on this page. Here, these videos look very TikTok generic. They don't look as captivating and as appealing. Whereas I click onto this page, it's very clean, organized. The videos have the same thumbnail template every single time. And this is really what you want to master on your page, is not only the content, but making your content and page look visually appealing. And this is exactly the next step in how you're going to do this. The first thing we need is to go and convert this into a voiceover. So let's go and copy the story of this Reddit story. Simply come over to Google and just go and type text to voice generator. Click on enter. And we want to come over to naturalreader.com, one of the most generic and best online AI tools where we can convert text to voiceover. You'll be prompted with 4 different voices. Go and have a listen to each one and just choose one that you think you like. Let's try Davis.
Good evening. We have a packed show for you, including new developments in the
Sounds pretty
economy
good, like a
and
really
an
deep
in-depth
voice.
analysis.
I still get nightmares.
Sounds really good. He's got like a really deep kind of voice cover. Let's try Jane.
In fact, I get them so often I should be used.
More like a light, soothing female voice, which could do really well with interesting stories. That could go quite nicely. Let's try Tony.
I can't wait to see where life takes me in the years to come.
Also like a slower, deep male voice could also be really good for a story that's got a lot of tension. Let's try Sarah.
What sunshine is to flowers, smiles are to humanity.
Also quite nice, a very happy female light voice could do with more uplifting stories. In my opinion, I really like Tony and Jane. I'm going to use Tony for the example of today's video.
Takes me in the
Click on
years to
Tony,
come.
Click on next. We want to go on personal use, AI text to speech. Remove all the demo text over here and paste your Reddit story. Go and click on play.
When I was 16, I used to live in a small village. Everyone knew each other. Every night we'd talk scary stories and play hide and go seek.
This actually sounds really good. So we can go and click on the save option on the top right hand side. Now, if you click on the three dots and click on download in MP3, it's going to ask you to upgrade your account to a paid account. But I want to show you a trick that you can use to download this audio without actually paying for it. What you'll need is, and I'm busy using it at the moment to record my screen, is OBS 30.2 free screen recording software. You can record the audio of your screen by coming over to Google and going to search up OBS. Click on Open Broadcaster software. It's a completely free and open source tool that most YouTubers use and what I've really been using to record my videos for the past 5 years. Click on Windows. This will then download to your PC, run the installer, and it will pop up that looks just like this. You can leave your screen as is. All you need to go and do is make sure your desktop audio is on. Click on the three dots, click on Properties, and go and select your default speaker. So my speaker would be, in this case, my headsets. My audio runs through my headsets, which would be this option over here, the Realtek Audio HD second output. And once I'm recording like I am now, it will record the audio of this voice option. So I'm quickly going to stop this recording, re-record this, and then show you what the file looks like when it's done. That audio has now been saved as an MP4 file without having to pay for this website. So it's a really cool bypass that you can use for future reference. If you're downloading videos or need to pay a website to download videos, you can literally just screen record it and save that file. So now that that's done, the next step is we need to go and find our gaming gameplay to overlay this voice story. Come over to YouTube and just go and search GTA racing clips. You can also use Fortnite sniping clips, Minecraft compilations. You can use any gameplay that you can think. I recommend use a popular game. I'm going to use GTA racing clips. Over here is a free video on GTA 5 no copyright gameplay. Right click, copy the link of this address of this video. Come over to Google and go and search YouTube download HD. Click on the first link over here. I usually use x2mate.com. Paste the link of this video. Click on download. If one or two ads pop up, just click on close them. Click on download and this video will then load. You can drop this down into 1080p. You want to download it in the highest quality version as possible. Click on get link and this video will now download. Click on download and this video will then download straight to your PC. Now we have our gameplay and our voice story to edit over this gameplay. Now we need an editing software to put this together. One of the most freest and easiest softwares you can go and download, also open source and free, is openshot.org. You can go and Google that, click on the first link over here. It's a completely free video editing software. For today's video, I'm going to use Vegas Pro 20 as that's the one I have installed on my PC. So again, you can just go over to Google and search Vegas Pro 20. Over here on the top website, Vegas Creative Software, this is the video editing software that I use. It is a paid one, but the free one of openshot.org is very similar and is all you really need for the strategy and is all you really need to edit your video. The editing of these types of videos really isn't complex at all. It's actually really simple. So all you want to do is once on Sony Vegas or openshot.org, you want to look for a little settings icon, click on settings, go and search for the width and the height under the video and just swap them around to 1080p by 1920. Click on apply and it will put your video in portrait format. So we then need to go and drag on to our video editing software the gameplay first, which will look like this. All right, again, just quickly change that width and height to the opposite. And you'll see over here, it will then become in portrait format that looks like this. Click on this little arrow icon over here. It will pop up a tab that looks like this, stretch out the screen, and it will load this video to portrait format. So we can load it up just like that, which is absolutely perfect. All right, on your video and your audio, click on Control U on your keyboard. It will separate the audio from the video file. Click delete, and now you just have your video. What we need next is our voice story. So go and load that voice story into this file. Again, on the video, click on U and delete the video. So now we have our gaming video and we have our story. We are now ready to go and edit this together. On the audio, where the story starts, right click, click on trim start. And at the end of this audio, click on right click and trim end. Okay, of the video file, also click right click trim start, and you can then drag the two to the beginning. And over here, quickly take a listen to this. We now have our done for you story, our done for you gaming video. All we need to add is the captions to this video, which I'll do in the next step. Highlight the parts of your video that you've edited, click on File, Render As. Under the Magic's AVC MP4 option, search for Internet 1080p with portrait in brackets. Come over to the folder that you want to save this into, click on Save, and you can go and type, for example, Final Edit or anything, any name really. Click on Render. Once that's complete, click on Open.
When I was 16, I used to live in a small village. Everyone knew each other. Every night we'd talk scary stories and play hide and go seek.
And this is now really clean edited. The next step we need to go and do is simply add captions to this video. Then we have our done for you Reddit story. The number one tool that I always use for my captions that you will see on my Instagram and TikTok videos is Captions.ai, which is an app on the Apple Store and the Google Play Store. I don't think you can use it on desktop just yet, but you're welcome to go and click on Get Started. I think it's going to take you to a desktop version actually. Click on Get Started on the top right hand side. You can go and log in with your Google account. Under Projects, click on Upload a Video. Come over to the folder where you've now rendered your new video. Double click on it. It will then upload to Captions. Once your video is uploaded, make sure that you've got English selected under the original language. Make sure you've got no translation selected. Click on Proceed with English, and it will take up to about 2 minutes to produce your captions for you. There we go. That's now complete. Take a look at this. You can also drag your captions to the center of the video, which is what I recommend. You can then go and click on Export on the top right-hand side. Make sure you've got 30 frames per second selected. Under the bitrate, click on High so that it renders it at the highest quality possible. Click on Export Video. Once that's complete, you'll see your final version over here in your Downloads folder. I've just moved mine to the Organized folder that we organized in the beginning of this video. Take a look at this. This is now ready to go and post onto TikTok. All you need to go and do is go and create a Reddit themed TikTok page, start posting these Reddit videos, and you at least want to post one of these a day. I would recommend set a goal for the next 60 days to post a video every single day for the next 2 months to initially get that traction, to get 1 or 2 videos going viral, to grow your page, and then you can start to slow down. You can start posting once every second day or maybe 3 times a week. But in the beginning, I recommend go aggressive towards the algorithm. Remember, these types of algorithms, being TikTok, YouTube, all social media platforms, favor content creators that post consistently. That eliminates random people going viral because they want to reward creators that are putting in consistent effort. Because remember, a social media platform is a business. You post. The more you post on their platform, the more people come to their platform, the more they're going to reward you, incentivizing you to post more to get more people to their platform. That's essentially the social media algorithm right there that I've just broken it down for you. So utilize that, post daily. You're welcome to go and get influence from some of these other stories. For example, this one that got 20.1 million views, go and find a Reddit story that is very similar. Do some Googling, do some research, then use the tools that I've taught you in today's video to convert all of that into a Reddit story. If you want to learn more about artificial intelligence tools, TikTok, short videos, longer form content, and building a full-time social media agency using AI, I recommend click on one or two of these playlists over here. One of these playlists will teach you about AI. This is still a brand new and growing playlist. I will add a lot of new videos to this in the upcoming future. And this is my playlist on how you can make money with TikTok and short video content. So I recommend click on one of these playlists over here, and I'll see you over there.